What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're stepping away from the YFZ and we are working on my daughter's four-wheeler that I have messed up. I somehow stripped out the spark plug. So you can see I have it out here. This uses a really small spark plug. It's like a metric 10 by 1. So I went to your favorite racing parts, power sports parts place, Amazon. So basically this is just like a kit. Basically, I think this is called like Time Search. Is probably like the name brand version. And basically, we're going to drill out the spark plug hole, tap it, and we're going to put this threaded insert in. So these are the inserts. I actually had to shave. I actually had to shave this one down because it was going to be way too long for our spark plug, and I don't want to have any issues with this hitting the piston. So I went ahead and cut this down. It's the perfect length now. Okay, so according to our directions here, the first step is to drill it out. And if you can't tell here, this is a Bismgo brand. Probably the best brand there is with a name like that, I guess. All right, so let's go ahead and drill out this spark plug hole. Okay, I went ahead and put some grease on there to try and catch the shavings. But I don't think it's going to be the end of the world if some shavings get in there. We can blow it out. What is crucial is to get this square. You know, this is at an angle, but we want it square with the current hole. See that the grease helped to keep a lot of it out. Okay, step number 2 is to countersink the hole. The insert has a lip on it, and we need to countersink it so it sits flush. See, this is the lip right here. So we need to countersink our hole so this will sit flush with the head. And this is the tool right here. This little bit right here is the cutter. And then it should bottom out right there. I just put it on this T-handle for a regular tap. Let's see what we can do here as far as the angle. You can see it there. I'll be honest, this side doesn't seem like it's counterbored as much. I'm not too worried about it. This thing's not a super high performance machine, and I do have another head. So okay, next up is our tap, and I have some grease on there to help catch the shavings. All right, I think we're all the way in. Actually tapped out pretty smooth. You can see all the shavings down there. The grease caught a bunch of it. All right, so now let's clean out the hole. Okay, so the next step and the last step is to put our threaded insert on this tool. And then we need to put some red Loctite on here. Probably more is better. So this is gonna seal it and keep it from coming out. We also wanna make sure we're not getting any of it on our tool. All right, so here we go. And we'll just snug that baby down. We'll just snug this down now. And then we take the tool out. All right, and we successfully did it without getting any Loctite on the tool here. Okay, I will admit, it's probably hard to see here. I did not get the hole completely square, you know, straight through there. It's kind of at an angle. I think this is sitting below a little bit, and this might be sitting above. But the good news is we have this sealing washer, which should take care of any issues. I'm also going to pull the engine over with the pull cord to blow any shavings out. All right, here's the moment of truth. We put the spark plug in.
I love you when you fix my four-wheel.
Yeah?
I like my four-wheel when you're motorcycle.
Yeah? All right.
Motorcycles?
Hold on. All right, what do you think, Charlotte? You think it's gonna start?
Yeah, Daddy.
Are you excited?
I know, Daddy.
Yeah? Ready? Let's see. So far, we're not doing good.
Hope you're gonna break it. Why is it not going?
All right, so we got it installed. Many pull starts later, it's running. I don't know why it took so long to start, but I guess it was sitting up on its hind end. But anyways, I put a link to this kit in the description, just an Amazon kit. This is like $50, but it did come with, I think, 5 inserts. So hopefully you don't have to do this, more than once. But if you're working on 4-wheelers and stuff, or dirt bikes, lawnmowers, this is a good kit to have. This is a smaller size spark plug, but that's besides the point, I guess. So it's fixed. Try to get your try to get it in there a little bit more square than me. Hopefully yours spark plug's not at an angle, but I guess in the end all that matters is that it works. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for the YFZ450. I got the top end of the engine apart, so lots of goodies here.